You guys may not believe this, but I do laundry. When I do laundry, okay, the clothes get folded the right side way. Like, they're not inside out when they go into the drawers, because you know what? I do fold when I do laundry, and I also put the shit away. And guess what? Sandy leaves everything inside out. It drives me nuts. Bananas.
I leave it inside out because if you're gonna take it off that way, that's the way you get it back.
What kind of excuse is that?
That's what I do.
Right behind me on shore there is the the City Hall, Miami City Hall. And it's original headquarters of Pan Am. You believe it? In the 20s, in the late 20s, Pan Am started. They've allowed us inside the City Hall to check out the memorabilia. And I want you guys to come along with us and check it out. I find this stuff very interesting. I mean, like, this is really cool, and you know what? It's a shame Pan Am's no longer around, much like other Canadian ones that I know of, like CP, Ward Air, yeah. So, kind of cool, you know. I mean, the things that we've seen go by us. This is the original Pan Am clock, and the ceiling is original paint here. The Pan Am brand is very collectible. People all over the world collect Pan Am America company. You know, those little planes, all the promotional pieces. Google it. It's kind of interesting. Kind of cool that they allow me into this room anyways right now. But boy, what I would do to have that clock. That's amazing. Here is the clock that we just saw in this photo, the original clock in the original position, and the ceiling. It's so cool. Love this stuff. These hangers are still there.
This is the building we're in right now.
Thank you. So we just got off the free trolley, and now we're going to get on a free monorail. With all this free stuff, I don't know why anybody needs to work.
Please hold on. The train is approaching. Whitwell City Center.
Hi everyone, just want to say a big thank you for watching us, and hopefully we're entertaining you to the best of our abilities. Few laughs, few angry spots, but it makes it all worthwhile.
Will we start getting along when we get to the Bahamas?
No.
It's not all rainbows and coconuts here.
That's right, it's not.